होगा। आप सभी से अनुरोध है, कृपया बैठ जाएं और अपने मोबाइल फोन साइलेंट पर रखें। धन्यवाद। राष्ट्रगान के साथ इस आयोजन का आरंभ होगा। We will commence with the national anthem. Kindly rise in its honor.
जन गण मन अधिनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता। पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड उत्कल बंगा। विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्चल जलधि तरंगा। तव शुभ नामे जागे तव शुभ आशीष मागे। गाहे तव जय गाथा जन गण मंगलदायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता। जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे।
Jai Hind. Please be seated. A very good morning, everybody. Good morning. It gives me, Manasi, immense delight in extending a hearty welcome to all of you, especially the esteemed dignitaries and honorable guests, along with all you invitees who are present here for this special event, listing of Dharmaj Crop Guard Limited. नेशनल स्टॉक एक्सचेंज के इस शानदार एट्रियम में उपस्थित सभी का मैं मानसी तहदिल से स्वागत करती हूँ। We will begin by welcoming the esteemed dignitaries with bouquets of flowers. Shri Ashish Kumar Chauhan, Managing Director and Chief Executive Officer, National Stock Exchange. A very hearty and warm welcome to you, sir. Please accept these flowers as a token of respect and love. Thank you. Shri Ramesh Talavia, Managing Director, Dharmaj Crop Guard Limited. Welcome to you, sir. आदर और सम्मान का प्रतीक इन फूलों का स्वीकार करें। शुक्रिया। श्री रमनीश कोटगावे, प्रेसिडेंट एंड हेड, एलारा कैपिटल इंडिया प्राइवेट लिमिटेड। वेलकम टू यू। श्री वैभव शाह, मैनेजिंग डायरेक्टर, Monarch Net Worth Capital Limited. Yogesh Jain, Partner, Setup Capital Advisors LLP. And the promoters of the company, starting with Jaman Talavia, Jagdish Savalia, and Vishal Domadia. और अब भारतीय परंपरा के अनुसार दीप प्रज्वलित कर इस समारोह का उद्घाटन होगा. In keeping with the Indian tradition, we will inaugurate this function by lighting the auspicious ceremonial lamp, and to do the honors, I request Shri Ashish Kumar Chauhan, MD and CEO NSE, Shri Ramesh Talavia, MD Dharmaj Crop Guard Limited, Shri Ramneesh Kojgave, President and Head, Elara Capital India Private Limited, Shri Vaibhav Shah, MD Monarch Networth Capital Limited, CA Yogesh Jain, Partner Step Up Capital Advisors LLP, and the promoters of the company, Shri Jaman Talavia, Shri Jagdish Savalia, and Shri Vishal Domadia. Deepena Lokana Jayati, Deepas Tejomaya Smritaha, Chaturvarga Pradodipan, Tasmat Deepyajet Priye. This couplet in Sanskrit translates, the lamp is luminous, its radiance grants victory, its light imparts dharma, artha, kama and moksha.
Vakratunda Mahakaya Surya Koti Samaprabha.
The function being inaugurated, let us have a nice group picture, please.
Nirvignam kuru me deva sarvakaryeshu sarvada.
Thank you. I request all the esteemed dignitaries to take their seats in the audience while I call upon Shri Ramneesh Kojgave, President and Head, Elara Capital India Private Limited, for the opening address.
Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. I, on behalf of the company Dharmaj Crop Guard Limited and fellow BRLM, would like to extend a warm welcome to all of you. We at Elara Capital are very proud to be associated with this IPO as the Left-Lead Global Coordinator. I must congratulate the promoters, Ramesh Bhai, Vishal Bhai, Jaman Bhai, for building a robust cash flow generating business, growing at a phenomenal pace. When we had first met Ramesh Bhai, we were instantly drawn to his astute business sense, which we later found out came from his very grounded upbringing, his closeness to farmers, and him having spent a lot of time understanding their needs, and which has resulted in him building this company so quickly from scratch. As you are aware, the IPO saw a very strong demand from all categories of investors, with QIB portion being subscribed 48x, NII 52 times, and retail 22 times. As company welcomes the new shareholders today, I'm sure both of them will have an engaging journey ahead. I would also like to take this opportunity to thank Ramesh Bhai for trusting us with this IPO. It's a momentous occasion for any company. It was a pleasure working with him and the entire Dharmaj team. I would also like to thank NSE for hosting this event. Thank you.
Thank you, sir, for the initial remarks. And I will now request Shri Vaibhav Shah, Managing Director, Monarch Net Worth Capital Limited, to address this August gathering.
Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. It's an honor to have all of you at this momentous occasion of listing ceremony of Dharmaj Corp Limited. It's a momentous occasion for Monarch as well in terms of managing the main board IPO, and we have pride in saying that Dharmaj was the first one of us. I am sure this is the beginning of Monarch journey in IPO market. On behalf of Monarch Net Worth Capital Limited, I would like to congratulate the entire promoter and management team of Dharmaj Corp Guard for the successful IPO. We were confident from the day one about the promoters, business and thought process of the promoter in building the company, and Ramesh Bhai will endorse the same. That Monarch had communicated getting the investor and hard underwriting of the IPO, as we believed in their journey and growth story. Although I won't shy away in saying that we were also nervous during the launch, but our confidence on the company soared in stellar subscription number. We had touch-based investor across all camps, including institutions, family office, ultra HNI, and which could be witnessed in the subscription itself. IPO was oversubscribed by more than 37 times in total, more than 47 times for QIB, more than 60 times for HNI, and more than 22 times for retail category. Total of 50 lakhs plus applications were received. Dharmaj Corp Guard has been founded by the excellent set of promoters with highest level of ethics, principles and corporate governance. The company has been scaled up on strong business fundamentals, and we believe post-listing journey of the company would be equally exciting and rewarding for each of the stakeholders. Last but not the least, I would like to thank the regulator SEBI, Stock Exchange NSE and BSE listing team, co-banker Elara, intermediaries involved in the process, Yogesh Jain, auditors, printers, ad agency, registrar, legal advisor, entire team of Dharmaj Corp Guard for making this journey enjoyable. Thank you and have a good day.
Thank you for sharing your thoughts with us this morning. I will now invite Shri Ramesh Talavia, Managing Director, Dharmaj Corp Guard Limited, to address this audience on this joyous and significant occasion.
गुड मॉर्निंग एवरीबडी। ये धर्मज क्रॉप गार्ड लिमिटेड की ओर से मैं आप सब लोगों का इस ग्रैंड सेरेमनी में आपका हार्दिक स्वागत करता हूँ। ये मंच पर सर्वप्रथम मैं आप सभी को अपनी जो यहाँ तक की जो जर्नी है, सफ़र है, वो कैसे तय हुआ और कैसे हुआ उसका मैं थोड़ा आपको कहना चाहता हूँ। जैसे धर्मज क्रॉप गार्ड लिमिटेड एक एग्रोकेमिकल मैन्युफैक्चरिंग एंड मार्केटिंग कंपनी है, और इस कंपनी में वाइड रेंज ऑफ प्रोडक्ट है, जैसे इंसेक्टिसाइड, हर्बिसाइड, फंजीसाइड, ETC, और जो एंड यूजर है अपना फार्मर है। और ये 2015 में हमने 4 पार्टनर्स ने मिलके एक विजन मिशन के साथ एक कंपनी की स्थापना की थी। और ये अभी के जो कड़ी कॉम्पिटिशन्स के समय में इस एग्रोकेमिकल सेक्टर में सफलतापूर्वक एक कंपनी को सफलतापूर्वक चलाना आसान नहीं था, परंतु ईश्वर के आशीर्वाद, परिवार की प्रार्थना एवं सभी वेल विशर्स का सपोर्ट और साथ से ये हमने 7 साल में इस कंपनी को 25 करोड़ से लेके 400 करोड़ तक सफलतापूर्वक पहुंचाया। और पिछले 3 साल में हमारा सेल्स रेवेन्यू का जो ग्रोथ है वो 41% अराउंड हमने CAGR से ग्रोथ किया है। और अब इस कंपनी को आगे ले जाने के लिए हमने बैकवर्ड इंटीग्रेशन कर रहे हैं। बैकवर्ड इंटीग्रेशन में जो अपना एग्रोकेमिकल में इंसेक्टिसाइड ग्रुप होता है, उसका सिंथेटिक पायरेथ्रोइड प्रोडक्ट का हम टेक्निकल मैन्युफैक्चरिंग प्लांट डाल रहे हैं। तो ये प्लांट डालने से हमारा जो यूज होगा, एग्रीकल्चर है, हाउस होल्ड है, वेटरनरी है, तो उससे अपना डोमेस्टिक और इंटरनेशनल मार्केट में अपनी जो अपॉर्चुनिटीज़ है वो खुलेगी। तो उससे हमको जो कॉम्पिटिशन्स है इंटरनेशनल, उसमें भी काफ़ी सपोर्ट मिलेगा। और इस आईपीओ में हमें इन्वेस्टर की ओर से काफ़ी अच्छा रिस्पांस मिला है और मुझे ये बताते हुए अत्यंत खुशी हो रही है कि हमारा आईपीओ है 38 टाइम्स और ओवर सब्सक्राइब हुआ और जिसके सभी इन्वेस्टर को हमारा दिल से आभारी है। जिन लोगों ने इन्वेस्ट किया उन्होंने हम में और हमारी कंपनी में भरोसा दिखाया, उसके लिए दिल से आभार। आज से सभी इन्वेस्टर्स हमारे पार्टनर्स हैं, हम सबका स्वागत करते हैं। हम वादा करते हैं कि जिन्होंने अपना विश्वास और धन का निवेश किया है उसे हम निराश नहीं करेंगे और हम सदैव उस विश्वास को संदेह के रखेंगे एवं कंपनी को सफलता के नए आयाम पर पहुंचाएंगे। आप सबकी उम्मीदों पर खरा उतरेंगे। अंत में सभी एसोसिएटेड मेंबर्स, मर्चेंट बैंकर्स, लीगल एडवाइजर्स और लिंक्डइन सबका हम धन्यवाद मानते हैं कि इस आईपीओ हमारा निर्विघ्न पूरा हुआ और हम आज से लिस्टेड हो रहे हैं। थैंक यू सो मच। गुड डे।
कंपनी की स्थापना से लेकर सफलता तक जो सफर रहा है उसके बारे में संक्षेप में आपने जतलाया, बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया। आई विल नाउ इनवाइट श्री आशीष कुमार चौहान, MD एंड CEO, नेशनल स्टॉक एक्सचेंज, फॉर हिज एड्रेस।
Shri Ramesh Talavia, Chairman and Managing Director, Dharmaj Crop Guard Limited. Shri Ramesh Kochgave, President and Head, Elara Capital. Shri Vaibhav Shah, Managing Director, Monarch Network Capital Limited. Other promoters of the company, distinguished dignitaries of the dais, friends, ladies and gentlemen, good morning and a warm welcome to all of you for the listing ceremony of Dharmaj Crop Guard Limited. We at NSE are delighted to welcome new listings. Today, it gives us immense pleasure to welcome Dharmaj Crop Guard Limited, which is engaged in the business of manufacturing, distribution and marketing of a wide range of agrochemicals much needed for India's growth. The IPO of Dharmaj with an issue size of rupees 251 crore was subscribed 35.49 times. We look forward to support you as an NSE listed company and being your preferred fundraising partner as you forge forward. We are committed to facilitate fundraising opportunities for upcoming organizations to charter their growth stories, find innovative products and platforms to make the capital markets more accessible to all. We hope that the listing day is the start of the partnership going forward. I congratulate the entire team of Dharmaj, the merchant bankers to the issue, Elara Capital and Monarch for their accomplishment, and today's listing is a testimony of their hard work. We are extremely happy to host you all here as you embark on this new journey, and we wish you all the best for the future growth. Jai Hind.
Thank you, Ashish sir, for your good words. Time now for memento presentation. I will request Shri Ashish Kumar Chauhan, MD and CEO, NSE, to please present the listing memento as a congratulatory gesture to Shri Ramesh Talavia, Managing Director, Dharmaj Crop Guard Limited. And now, Shri Ramesh Talavia, MD Dharmaj Crop Guard Limited, will present a memento to Shri Ashish Kumar Chauhan, Managing Director and Chief Executive Officer, National Stock Exchange, in reciprocation. Thank you. Request Mr. Talavia to please stay back. We will now felicitate the BRLMs for their contribution in the success of this IPO. Elara Capital India Private Limited, I will invite Shri Ramanish Kozgave and Madam Astha Daga. Shri Ramanish Kozgave, President and Head of Elara Capital India Private Limited, and Madam Astha Daga, Senior Vice President, Investment Banking, Elara Capital India Private Limited. Please, ma'am. Thank you. Shri Vaibhav Shah, Managing Director, Monarch Net Worth Capital Limited. Crawford Bailey and Company. हाँ है उनका नाम। अच्छा उनको देने के लिए बोला देने के लिए। I will request Jaman Bhai to please step up to present the next few mementos along with Ramesh Bhai. Next is the Registrar to the issue, Lincoln Time India Private Limited. Registrar to the issue, Lincoln Time India Private Limited. Next is the agency, Concept Communication Limited. Concept Communication Limited, the agency. CA Yogesh Jain, Step Up Capital Advisors LLP. That is CA Yogesh Jain from Step Up Capital Advisors LLP. And the printers to the issue, Orient Press Limited. Anyone from Orient Press? I do not see anybody. Let us move on. The bankers, Axis Bank Limited. Anybody from Axis? No one. Let us move on. HDFC Bank Limited. Yes. We have representatives of HDFC Bank Limited. Advisory Research and Training Limited, Care Advisory Research and Training Limited. We have their representatives on stage. And Karma and Company LLP. Thank you Ramesh Bhai, thank you Jaman Bhai. You may please be seated. Ladies and gentlemen, the vote of thanks will now be proposed by CA Yogesh Jain, Partner, Step Up Capital Advisors LLP.
So still 8 minutes to go. So good morning everyone. So it gives me immense pleasure to welcome you all in this momentous occasion of listing of Dharmaj Crop Guard Limited. Personally, it's a very nostalgic moment for me. So after working for 12 years with NSE, now again coming back to NSE for this listing gives me a great moment of pride and honor. So thank you NSE for the same. So as it is rightly said, listing is the beginning, not the end of journey. So that is where we are all here to embark the beginning of the journey of Dharmaj Crop Garden capital markets. The IPO has got a tremendous response, all thanks to our bankers, Monarch and Elara, who has done a tremendous job in getting all the investors on board. Thank you for the same. And I'm sure the kind of confidence which investors have shown in Dharmaj, the promoters and the team Dharmaj is totally geared up. And I'm sure they will not only meet the expectation, but they will beat the expectation of the market. So since we have time, I think I just thought to share one, my personal experience with all of you. So I've been working personally with Dharmaj and team since I think almost 2 years, more than 1.5 years and 2 years almost. So one very good thing which I liked, when these promoters, actually their background is they were doing a job with the large companies like Coromandel and so many other companies. They all left the job. They made a vision for a company. In 2015, they have listed down so many goals about the company till 2030. Right? In 2015, they have made a goal till 2030. So every promoter and the employees carry a vision card along with them in a card. Sorry, Dharmaj bhai, I'm just sharing the thing which I liked actually. Yes, so that's a vision card everyone can see there. So they have made a vision in 2015 itself that what this company wants to achieve for the benefit of the society, for the company growth and everything they have mentioned it. Since that time, in fact, I think all this vision they have made a big board at the entrance of the office as well as the factory for all the employees to keep on reminding what they have to achieve. And since 2015, they have achieved all the goals much before the time. So have a great round of applause for our team Dharmaj. So listing was again a part of one of the vision they had. They have mentioned, I still recollect the line, that the Dharmaj DCGL will get listed in 2022. So that they have written in 2015. So that is where we are all here today to attend this occasion. They have so many other goals, so I wish all the best to the whole team of Dharmaj to achieve those goals much before what you have been doing till now. So without taking much time now, I would like to thank each one of you to be present today in person for this listing ceremony. My special thanks to all the stakeholders who are the part of process. We have been doing, I think, since almost a year now. So all the intermediaries I would like to thank, including but not limited to Elara team, Ramnesh, Asta and the whole excellent team you have, Monarch team, Sahil, Gaurav, Himanshu, everyone, even the Weber bhai, Prophet Bailey, Viplav, Kunal, and the whole team along with them. Sorry for not taking the individual names here. Care team, Axis Bank, HDFC Bank, Lingit Time, all the regulators, NSE, BSE, SEBI, ROC, auditors, Karma and Company, Jignesh Bhai Duo. A very vibrant concept team. Excellent job by the concept team. Thank you, sir. Orient Press, the whole Dharmaj management, Ramesh Bhai, Vishal Bhai, Jaman Bhai, everyone, you've been very active in this whole process. The team of Dharmaj, CS Malvika Kapasi, Satish Luhana, Dhruv Shah, Kalpesh Patel, Vipender Bhai, and so many on and on the list will go on. Sorry again for not taking individual names. Pardon me if I missed out any names, but then excellent experience it has been working with you all. So again, last but not the least, thank you NSE for hosting such an excellent and wonderful ceremony for us. So with this, I think let's gather for the listing ceremony. Thank you. Thank you all.
Thank you so very much. Ladies and gentlemen, listings are milestones, and milestones are ways at looking at the past with gratitude, present with appreciation, and future with lots of hope. So with those words, the momentous time for which we all are eagerly waiting is fast approaching. You all will join me in cheering when the customary 10-second countdown begins. We all will put our hands together when the clock will strike 10 o'clock. I request the esteemed dignitaries to kindly step on stage for the ringing of the bell. Shri Ashish Kumar Chauhan, MD and CEO NSE, Shri Ramesh Talavia, Managing Director, Dharmaj Crop Guard Limited, Shri Ramneesh Kozgave, President and Head, Elara Capital India Private Limited, along with Astha Daga, Senior Vice President, Elara Capital India Private Limited, Shri Vaibhav Shah, Managing Director, Monarch Network Capital Limited, CA Yogesh Jain, Partner, Step Up Capital Advisors LLP, and the promoters, Jaman Talavia, Jagdish Savalia, and Vishal Domadia. Ladies and gentlemen, the ringing of the bell will mark the official listing of Dharmaj Crop Guard Limited on the National Stock Exchange. जब 10 को 10 सेकंड बाकी होंगे, आप सभी मेरे साथ काउंटडाउन की गिनती में शामिल हो जाइएगा। तालियों की गूंज के साथ हम उस पल को सजाएंगे। It will truly be an honor to be introduced and welcomed on this corporate ladder. I cannot see the. I need the countdown. So ladies and gentlemen, we are less than half a minute away from 10 o'clock. Please be in readiness. As you can see on the screen, less than 20 seconds. All excited for the moment. And 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Heartiest congratulations to the management, investors, stakeholders of Dharmaj Crop Guard Limited on this official listing. ढेर सारी बधाई और हार्दिक शुभकामनाएं। यादगार पल हम सभी के लिए, moments to be treasured in the form of a nice group picture. Sir, please, एक photograph. आशीष sir, आइए. Let us have a resounding of claps for Dharmaj Crop Guard Limited. And on that note, we conclude this event. Ladies and gentlemen, tea, coffee, refreshments have been arranged in the adjoining foyer. To my right, your left. Kindly proceed for the same. Thank you for being a wonderfully lovely audience. Have a great day ahead. This is Manasi taking your leave.